Hi everyone, so I received these two Target beauty boxes. My husband actually surprised me. I had no idea they were coming in the mail. They're $7 a month, so let's take a look. So the one thing I really like about these Target boxes is on the back of this little information card, they have money off, either $3, $5 or more, if you want to purchase anything inside these boxes. So this one's called Hello Jet Setter. And the first item I'm pulling out is this clay mask. It's going to help with the oiliness in the face. So the next item is Soap and Glory. This is a body cream. I really like their hand cream, so I'm hoping I really like this one also. So next up is this Pillow Plumper lip gloss from Soap and Glory. I am not a fan of lip plumpers, but we shall see. This is what the lip gloss looks like, and it's actually very sheer. This is number 7's Restore and Renew Serum for your face and neck. I'm actually really excited to try this out because I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. So we'll see if it works out for me. Another number 7 product, this is the Airbrush Away Primer. It's a translucent cream. Next up is this 12 mini eyeshadow palette from the brand Sleek Makeup. It's mineral based. So moving on to the next beauty box. This one is called Hello Staycay. So this is basically everything you need for a relaxing vacation at home. So let's take a look. So the first thing I pull out is this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Next up is this body wash from Mrs. Meyer's. So next up, this is a hair mask from the brand Nexus. This is a really good salon brand, and this is supposed to target dry spots. So this is from the brand OGX. This is biotin and collagen shampoo. It's supposed to help volumize and make your hair look fuller. So this is from the brand Vichy. It's a face moisturizer. So I've actually tried the Panda one of this. This is by the brand Pretty Animals, and it has different animals on the sheet masks. And this one is for moisturizing. I really do like them. Next up, we have a gel liquid lipstick from the brand CoverGirl in the shade 110. So here's what the color looks like with flash on. It's actually really pretty, great for spring. So that's about it. Let me know if any of you guys got this box or one or both boxes actually. So like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.